Hey, Snowflash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today's review, we're going to be doing a Golden Graham soft baked oat bar s'mores. So it looks like that. Cute little thing. Okay, sugar says include 8 grams of sugar, so it's not too terrible. General Mills makes these. Alrighty. See how it looks. So it looks like that. Smell the ginger. Honestly, it's not too bad. Graham cracker, oat, a little marshmallow taste, and a little chocolate. Not a bad snack. Or a breakfast bar. I'll give this 6.7. 6.7 out of 10. It's not bad. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.